Hi, this is basic tutorial video about nodes. To start working, we need to create a few windows. The first one is the node editor window. This is where all the nodes will be displayed. Then we need the node inspector. Here we see all the parameters of selected nodes. After creating the windows, we need to create either the voxel of surface object, because at this stage nodes don't work in per pixel paint mode. Back to the paint room. To create nodes, right click, and here we have all the available nodes. The first one you need is the out nodes. With these nodes we can output result to the object. For example, let's create an albedo color out node, and we can immediately see that the color has appeared on the object. Also, we can create out displacement node, and we can output depth on the object. Next we have for tabs. It's tabs with different noises, with different patterns and other. For example, let's create Voronoi 3D node, and we can connect to albedo color. We immediately see the result, or to displacement. Displacement will be represent white like a peaks and black like a valleys. Now we can select node and edit all parameter. For example, scale. Also, we can use curve. When we select node, we can edit any of its parameter, such as the scale. We can also create a one node and use it to edit the image curve. We place this node anywhere in the chain, and it will process everything that comes before it. Let's try creating a skin texture. To do this, we need to invert the image so that the valleys become peaks. We can do this using curves. Next, we have to change the displacement value, and in Voronoi node change the scale. Now we've got something that resembles a skin texture. Also, we can use any image. To do this, create node triple R, and in this node we can upload any texture in node editor, and we can connect this texture to displacement, for example, change scale. increase the displacement value a bit. And we can see that the image is being displayed on the object. In the vector tab, we can perform various operations with nodes. For example, using the mix node, we can blend two nodes together. To do this, simply connect two nodes to the first and second input, then adjust the parameters with the max, min, and sum nodes. We can also mix two nodes using different algorithms. That's it for now. I show only the most important basic nodes, but even with just this, you can achieve some really cool result.